We are making frames for these little guys. So I've actually measured each one, and I've got my measurements right on there. So I know this needs to have two 10-inch ones and a 12 and 10/16 for the first one. So we're making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
7, 6
different signs.
hospitality signs.
Hospitality signs. Kind of funny, humorous ones.
Yes, sarcastic.
Bathroom, kitchen. Add a little humor for your guests. Stain the frame. That's what we're doing.
Just in case you didn't know. Alright, so I have a charcoal pencil, a thin paintbrush, a regular pencil, and acrylic black paint, and then my pattern. I'm going to start by flipping over my pattern and coloring with the charcoal pencil. Just color where your pattern is. Flip this over. I'm just gonna flip it over so I can get it centered. To flip it back over, I'm going to trace it. Alright, I'm going to take this off, and as you can see, it left the trace of our pattern. What we need is the black paint, a little bit of water, paintbrush.